When it comes to staying alive without crossing legal lines, the Byrna SD Kinetic launcher is one of the smartest tools you can carry. It's compact, Colorado 2-powered, and fires solid kinetic projectiles that hit like a punch from a heavyweight. No permits required, no lethal force, just pure stopping power that can stun and scatter threats in an instant. Whether you're fending off wild animals, aggressive intruders, or just want peace of mind on the trail or at your bug-out location, the Byrna gives you that edge without going overboard. Its rugged design feels like a real sidearm with tactical ergonomics that fit naturally in your grip. You get the confidence of a firearm without the legal weight of one, making it perfect for preppers, campers, and off-grid warriors. Reloads are quick, and every shot feels like you're sending a message, "I'm not the one to mess with." This isn't just a launcher, it's a line between safety and danger. Gear like this turns survival situations into moments of control. This beast on your wrist isn't just a watch, it's a mission-ready tactical computer built for elite operators and hardcore survivalists. The Garmin Tactix 7 is packed with features like ballistic calculation, stealth mode, dual-position GPS, and full-color topo maps, all wrapped in a sapphire glass, solar-powered, ultra-rugged build. You could get dropped in the middle of nowhere, and this thing would be your lifeline to navigation, terrain, timing, and tracking. It doesn't just tell time, it tells you where you stand, where you're going, and what you need to survive. And it doesn't stop there. This monster links with night vision gear, monitors your vitals in real time, and can take a pounding in the most brutal environments. You want tools that match your grit, and this one delivers. It's like having a recon scout, fitness tracker, and survival guide all bolted to your arm. Whether you're bugging out, running ops, or just living off-grid, this is the tool that keeps you one step ahead of the unknown. Survival isn't a game, it's a war. And this is the kind of gear built for war. Forget those bargain bin survival kits with flimsy tools and dollar store tape. The GNX GO survival kit is in a whole different league. This all-in-one emergency setup is engineered for real-world situations, think disaster zones, deep backcountry, or sudden bug-out. It's compact but surgically organized, with separate modules for trauma gear, shelter, fire, food, and water all packed tight in a rugged, water-resistant case. Every single item inside is battle-tested and ready for use when seconds matter and stress is high. This kit isn't just about having tools, it's about having the right tools, exactly when you need them. There's no digging or fumbling in a crisis, it's all labeled, color-coded, and built for speed. Medical emergencies? Covered. You need clean water or fast calories? Done. You need to patch wounds, make fire, or hunker down. It's all there, packed like a pro's go bag. This is survival gear done right, smart, streamlined, and built to save lives. If you're serious about being ready for anything, this kit doesn't ask questions, it delivers answers. This isn't just a weapon, it's a force of intimidation and reach combined. The United Cutlery M48 Naganata Polearm brings back ancient battlefield dominance with a futuristic twist. This beast stretches out your defense with a razor-sharp 16.5-inch blade mounted on a reinforced composite shaft, giving you range, cutting power, and brutal impact in one clean strike. Whether you're defending your perimeter, hunting wild game, or just want to carry something that stops people in their tracks, this polearm delivers pure presence. Every inch of this tool screams aggression and precision. The blade is cast from AUS-6 stainless steel with a black oxide coating for corrosion resistance, while the shaft provides a textured grip that won't slip when it matters most. You're not swinging this thing for fun, you're putting out serious power with every motion. And the included sheath keeps it locked and loaded for fast access. This isn't a movie prop, it's survival gear with reach, force, and attitude. When close range doesn't cut it, the Naginata steps in. Your average smartphone is dead weight in a real survival situation, one drop, one splash, and it's toast. But the Ulefone Armor X16 isn't average. It's a tank disguised as a phone, built to survive brutal drops, soaking rain, freezing cold, and all the other chaos nature can throw your way. MILSTD 810-gram certified IP68, IP69 waterproof. With a battery that laughs at 2-day treks, this phone is designed for the wild, and it's not just tough, it's smart. Packed with GPS, compass, barometer, and even offline mapping apps, this phone keeps you connected when everything else fails. Whether you're navigating off-grid trails, documenting your bug-out route, or just keeping comms open in an emergency, the X16 won't let you down. Drop it in a river, toss it in the mud, slam it against a rock, it powers through it all. It's not just a survival communication tool, it's your lifeline, digital journal, and command post. If your gear doesn't work when you need it most, it's not worth carrying. The Armor X16 earns its weight every step of the way. When you're hauling through mud, broken terrain, or icy slopes, your feet better be wrapped in something tougher than leather and smarter than sneakers. The XPETI X-Force 8 tactical boots are built like armor for your lower legs, but flexible enough to move like they're part of you. Fully waterproof, with a high-top design that locks your ankle in place, these boots are made for rough missions, long treks, and sudden sprints when survival's on the line. The grip on these things is no joke. Aggressive lugs dig into loose gravel, wet logs, or concrete like claws. Add in the moisture-wicking lining and cushioned midsole, and you're not just protected, you're comfortable, even after hours of pounding through the wild. These aren't fashion boots, they're workhorses. Built for the prepper who's always moving, the camper who refuses to stay dry and idle, and the survivor who needs every step to count. It's not always about brute force. Sometimes survival means knowing when to rest smart. The Marchway Ultralight folding camping chair gives you a rugged, compact, and incredibly sturdy place to sit and regroup. Don't let the word lightweight fool you. This thing holds up to 250 pounds of hard-earned muscle without flinching. The frame is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, and the seat is ripstop fabric, tear-proof, water-resistant, and tough enough for daily camp life. Setup is lightning fast, and it folds down small enough to toss into your pack without adding bulk. After miles of hiking, setting up camp, or manning your post, this chair feels like a throne in the wild. And when every bit of energy matters, the ability to sit, dry off, and rehydrate in comfort isn't luxury, it's strategy. This is the kind of gear you don't realize you need until it's too late, and then you'll never head into the wild without it again. When the sky's dumping rain, your fingers are freezing, and you need a fire now? The InstaFire matches don't just light, they ignite survival mode. These aren't ordinary matches, they're weatherproof, wind-resistant, and strike with a flame so fierce it laughs at wet kindling. Toss them in your pack, glove box, or emergency can, and when the time comes, they'll answer. That moment when your lighter fails, these bad boys shine. Each match burns long, bright, and steady, even upside down or in snow. Whether you're lighting a stove, a fire pit, or signaling for help, they give you that critical edge when conditions are against you. And since they come in a watertight case with striker panels, you're not gambling with fire, you're locking it in. Fire is life and survival, and these matches are your insurance. There's something brutally satisfying about swinging a tool that was forged for war. The Windlass Spetsnaz machete is exactly that, a combat-proven beast modeled after the gear carried by elite Russian special forces. This isn't your average machete, it's full tang, with a thick spine and sharpened edge that chews through branches, limbs, and obstacles like butter. Whether you're cutting trail, building shelter, or going full-on defensive, this blade earns its spot on your belt. The balance is dialed in for controlled hacking, not just wild swings. That gives you real power with every motion. And with its rugged hardwood handle and sleek matte black finish, this machete isn't just built tough, it feels like a weapon, not just a tool. When you hold it, you don't just think about chopping brush, you think about surviving a world that doesn't care. This machete brings intimidation, utility, and raw force into one sharp package. When you're deep off-grid, the last thing you want is to fight with your gear while the rain pours and wind howls. The Nightcat Ultralight tent is designed for serious outdoorsmen who want simplicity, speed, and protection without lugging around a backbreaking setup. One person can pop this thing open and have it shelter ready in minutes, no struggling, no extra hands needed. It's ultralight but reinforced where it counts, waterproof, wind resistant, and tight against the elements. What makes this shelter stand out is the blend of portability and toughness. The compact frame is flexible under stress but won't collapse when a storm rolls in. The ventilation keeps moisture from turning the inside into a sauna, and the vestibule gives you space for gear without sacrificing room. If you're the kind of survivalist who's always moving, always adapting, this tent matches your pace. It's not just a tent, it's your fortress when the world goes dark. When brute strength meets refined craftsmanship, you get the Tops Knives Yukon Hawk, a tactical tomahawk that looks as savage as it performs. This isn't just a breaching tool or a fancy blade, it's a full-on survival weapon forged to smash, chop, dig, pry, and dominate whatever stands between you and survival. The full-tang 1095 high-carbon steel delivers raw, unapologetic destruction with every swing, and the dual-edge head gives you both a killer spike and a razor-sharp chopping face. The grip is designed to stay locked in your hand, even in wet, bloody, or muddy conditions. This thing wants to be used, not babied. Whether you're splitting firewood, clearing brush, or taking down barriers, the Yukon Hawk has your back. And in the worst-case scenario, it doubles as a last-ditch defensive tool you'd bet your life on. This isn't just gear, this is battlefield-grade hardware for people who take survival seriously. This isn't a first aid kit, this is a mobile trauma center packed into one badass mall-ready shell. The Medic MyFak Large isn't made for scraped knees or bug bites. This is the kind of gear you keep close when lives are on the line. It's loaded with high-quality medical tools, from tourniquets and trauma shears to splints, clotting agents, burn care, and everything in between. Every item is handpicked and field-tested by medics, so you're not guessing, you're acting with precision. The internal layout is modular and fast access, so when adrenaline's surging and someone's bleeding out, you can rip open this kit and get to work instantly. It's water-resistant, ultra-tough, and built to survive the same conditions you're facing. Whether you're on the trail, in your truck, or bugging out of town, this kit turns you from helpless bystander into the guy who knows what to do. Survival isn't just about tools, it's about being ready for anything, and this kit is exactly that. The Leatherman Skeletool CX is proof that minimalism doesn't mean weakness, it means ruthless efficiency. This multi-tool strips away the fluff and delivers exactly what matters: a 154cm stainless steel blade, pliers, wire cutters, a universal bit driver, and a carabiner that doubles as a bottle opener, all in one sleek, lightweight, tactical-grade design. It's built to live on your belt or clip to your pack, always within reach when things go sideways. The one-hand blade deployment is buttery smooth, and the frame is strong without weighing you down. This tool is lean, fast, and ready, no unnecessary bulk, just reliable function. Whether you're cutting paracord, repairing gear, or cracking open a cold one by the fire, the Skeletool CX is like your quiet companion, always there, never in the way, and always ready to perform. It's the kind of everyday carry tool you forget you're wearing until it saves your day. Flashlight handling just got tactical. The Thyrm Switchback 3.0 duty isn't your average clip or grip attachment, it's a game changer for weapon-mounted flashlight control, made for operators, law enforcement, and anyone who demands total command in low-light situation. It lets you draw and control your flashlight like a weapon, keeping one hand free while maintaining maximum precision. It doesn't just attach, it enhances your flashlight, giving you better retention, indexing, and fast activation under pressure. Compatible with most tactical flashlights, this upgrade adds serious control and confidence whether you're clearing a room, sweeping a trail, or signaling in a blackout. It's lightweight, but the benefits are heavy, better grip, better draw, and no fear of dropping your light when it matters most. In the wild or in the fight, light is life, and the Switchback gives you the upper hand every time. If your flashlight doesn't give you tactical edge, it's just dead weight. The Tops Knives SXS is that rare blade that doesn't scream for attention, it earns respect the second it hits your hand. Designed with a no-nonsense tactical edge, this knife is forged from 1095 high-carbon steel with a modified Tanto-style tip that's ready to pierce, slash, and hammer through the nastiest conditions. It's got that classic Tops weight-solid, heavy-duty, but perfectly balanced for real control. When you're out in the wild and your knife is your lifeline, the SXS doesn't just perform, it dominates. The G10 handle gives you an aggressive grip that stays locked in, even when wet, bloody, or cold. And that pommel? It's built for smashing through glass, bone, or barriers, whatever stands in your way. Whether you're batoning wood, defending your position, or just want a knife that looks like it came out of a survivalist dream, this blade doesn't flinch. This isn't a collector's piece, it's a fighter's tool. The kind of knife you trust when it's just you and the unknown. Now this is where survival meets pure tactical aggression. The Steambow AR6 Stinger II is a magazine-fed repeating pistol crossbow that looks like it was built for post-apocalyptic warfare, and honestly, it kinda was. This thing fires bolts at brutal speed with surgical accuracy, giving you 6 quick shots without needing to reload each time. It's compact, lightweight, and ridiculously fast, perfect for hunting, defense, or just putting in some serious work off-grid. Built from CNC machined aluminum and high-grade polymers, the AR6 Stinger II feels like a weapon, not a toy. It's got a red dot sight option, tactical rails, and modular upgrades that let you turn it into a full-blown survival platform. Silent, deadly, and legal in most places, this crossbow is for those who like their power quiet and precise. Whether you're stalking small game or guarding your perimeter, this beast gives you the kind of ranged power that demands respect. This folding handsaw is entirely CNC machined from solid titanium, making it lightweight, insanely strong, and borderline indestructible. It folds like a tactical knife, but unfolds into a teeth-shredding beast that chews through wood, bone, and brush like it's cutting warm butter. Whether you're building shelter, clearing branches, or processing firewood, this saw puts in serious work. What sets it apart isn't just its performance, it's the feel. The smooth titanium handle, the ultra-secure locking mechanism, and the aggressive blade design scream premium, but it's not made to sit on a shelf. This thing is built for hard field use. And with corrosion resistance that'll outlast your grandchildren, this is one tool that'll still be cutting long after others rust away. In a world where tools are often plastic junk, this saw reminds you what real gear feels like. Thanks for watching. And if you're all about next-level survival gear that actually gets the job done, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. And hey, are you a pickup truck owner? Then don't miss this one. Check out our next video on next-level pickup truck inventions built to upgrade your rig for the wild. Trust me, you'll want every single one of them in your arsenal.